The bench press is one of the most famous, if not the most famous exercise out there. It's a full body compound exercise that primarily works your chest, shoulders, and triceps. When done right, it's the most effective movement to gain upper body strength and muscle because it's the upper body exercise you'll lift most weight on and thus create the greatest amount of tension. With your eyes under the bar, lie on the bench. Lift your chest and squeeze your shoulder blades. Your feet should be flat on the floor. Now place each pinky on the ring marks of the bar. Your grip should be a little wider than shoulder width, and you want to hold the bar in the base of your palm with straight wrists. Dismount the bar by straightening your arms and move it over your shoulders as you keep your elbows locked. While inhaling, lower it to your chest. Your elbows should be at a 75-degree angle. During this motion, your forearms should remain vertical. While exhaling, press the bar upward until your arms are extended. The proper form is pressing the bar in a diagonal line from shoulders to chest and back up. This increases the distance but prevents shoulder impingement. Repeat for the recommended amount of repetitions and then re-rack the bar. Never bounce the bar off your chest, and you should always be in control of the weight. Please don't bench press using the suicide grip or the thumbless grip. The barbell can slip out of your hands and drop on your chest.